Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you one of the most best-selling product I have at the bakery at the moment, which is almond and chocolate croissant, no, almond croissant in general. They are the most best-selling, I think, after sausage rolls. So yeah, let's get into it. Look at this. Oh, this is it's good, man. Oh, anyway, let's go into the video. Let's make some croissants. So to make this almond and chocolate croissant, my best-selling product at the moment, almond and chocolate croissant, they sell every time. So the croissants are already baked. I baked them yesterday, especially to make this today. So I baked them the day before. They go like a little bit stale. They're easier to cut and then to do the filling and get them wet with syrup. This ingredient already made. I'll put in the description below, so you make sure you check out the description below to learn how to make it yourself. And this is easy. You can make. You don't even need to bake the croissants if you're not a baker, for example. You just want a nice, delicious, homemade almond and chocolate croissant or almond croissant. You can just go to the local bakery and then buy croissants from yesterday and then come back home, do this. So if you don't have a baker locally, go to supermarket. That's the option you have. And so that for this as well, which is frangipane or almond cream, I like to call it, I put the recipe on the description below as well, so check that out as well to learn how to make it. But first, what you do, because the croissants are baked yesterday, to double bake, so you need to get them wet first so they get nice and soggy. So what I do is just brush them up with the syrup. And then put on the side. So you brush all the croissants. You can even dunk them or dump them in and then let them drip. But I like to do it this way so you save a little bit of syrup. Otherwise you're gonna just finish the syrup. Sometimes you end up having to make some more syrup. So this way you know you're gonna they still get wet, and then you're gonna have all the syrup left over, or some syrup left over. Right now, so now we have all brushed. Our croissants are brushed. The next step is to put the filling in, which is our almond cream. I think this is the magic. And something else to add, it's a little extra chocolate chips. You don't really need to because I already got chocolate in there, but I just like to be generous with my stuff. I'm very generous. There we go. This is a dark chocolate. There's no like particular, oh, I didn't put any chocolate in there. Ha. This is sometimes happen. Once I bought donut a long time ago, and I think it was vanilla donut or something. Supposed to be a filling in it. It was 5 donuts. And then the one I had didn't have anything inside, didn't have any filling. So this is what happens. Sometimes you just keep rolling, forget to put the filling in one of them. Chocolate and close. And now, now again, put some more on top. So this will be crispy, make it a little bit crispy. It'll be crispy, this one outside. Be as generous as you want. If you're making for yourself at home, you can be super generous. But don't go too crazy, otherwise it's too much sugar. Okay, now the last bit is to top up with almond flakes. So here, there you go. and we're done. So from here, I'm going to take it to the oven and bake for 17 minutes, 17 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius until they're nice and golden again. Like, mainly we want it to be golden, that make sure this is baked, the cream is baked because it's got egg in it, contain egg in it. Once that's baked, the croissant you know already is already baked, and you get the almond nice and crispy as well, all golden, crunchy. So yeah, let's go and bake them and then see when they're baked. Put the chocolate in there. So here we are, guys. Our croissants are baked, ready and baked. The last thing you need to do is dust them up with our icing sugar. Just get that nice look, nice touch. Extra sweetness, to be fair. Here we go. Nice and done. Beautiful. Yeah, this is it. How we make our almond croissant. Simple, very simple. As long as you have already know how to make your croissants. This step is pretty much easy. If not, if you want how to learn how to make pain au chocolat, check the link in the description below. I've made a video for it, and at the video I'll put other videos as well. You can learn to make other stuff, bread, almond croissant, and spinach and feta. And then laugh at the baker, see how I work here. Check the link in the description below to see all those videos. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel to grow and keep me motivated to be making more video for you guys to enjoy. Thank you. Peace.